Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on auto photo backup on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the auto photo backup on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it over here. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icon available for us. Tap on the three lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and on this panel you can see the automatic backup option available for us just above the space analyzer. Tap on the automatic backup option over here, and you can see, guys, the first option here it says automatic photo backup. Now in order to turn on or enable the automatic photo backup on your Terabox, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the automatic photo backup option. When the toggle icon turns blue, guys, your auto photo backup on the Terabox app will be enabled. With that being said, guys, this is how to enable the automatic photo backup on your Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.